Hi everyone, it's Mr. Casey. Just want to go over the do now with you. So again, we see parentheses, so we want to start with the distributed property. And remember, when I'm distributing, I need to make sure I include the sign that's directly in front of the number I'm distributing. So it'd be -5 going into the parentheses. -5 times a positive x gives me -5x. I'm going to bring that x down. And then I have negative times a positive gives me a negative. 5 times 1 gives me 5 equals 3x plus 2. Now I want to look to see if I can combine like terms on one side or the other. It looks like on the left side I can. You're going to see me boxing my variables, circling my constants. So now I know what I can combine. I can combine those two squares. A positive x minus 5x is going to give me a negative 4x minus 5 equals 3x plus 2. And then now I want to move my variables to the left, constants to the right. So I'm going to subtract 3x to both sides. I'm going to get negative 7x. Remember, two negatives means you're adding the numbers and keeping the sign, so I kept the sign negative. And then add the numbers. 4x plus 3x gives me 7x. Minus 5 equals 2. And then I'm moving the constant over. Remember, inverse operations. Add 5 to both sides. I'm going to get negative 7x equals over here on the left with 2 plus 5 gives me 7. And then my last step here is to divide. Remember, divide by negative 7 on both sides. Still with those inverse operations. We get x equals a positive divided by a negative gives me a negative. 7 divided by 7. Positive 7 divided by negative 7 gives me 1. So -1 is my answer.